Hi guys, Wicked Penny here. Today, I'm quick gonna give you a rundown of what I'm gonna film, or what I'm gonna make. Okay, look at this. See this? Chester Cheeto Puffs. Not the cheese flavored, but butter. $2 a bag. One bag of this is all you need. Then you need a bag of white Nestle Toll House Premier White Morsels, lovies. This is what you need. 2 ingredient sweet treat fix. I'll be right back. I'm gonna start the melty process. It's a little cumbersome and boring. Not cumbersome, just boring. Takes a few minutes. But once it's melty, I'll be back for the integration. Don't go away. Hi guys, I'm back. I decided to bring you in a little early because those white chocolate morsels are super difficult and they're testy. You get them too hot, it seizes up. You might be able to add a little coconut oil or something to loosen them up. But so I just wanted you to see what you're dealing with in case you want to know if you're doing it properly. So I've already put the chips in a microwave safe bowl for 45 seconds. And then I put it in, I stirred them. They're not really melted, you'll see. I'll turn you down. And then I put it in for another 10, pulled it out, started to stir. My bowl is kind of hot, so warm, because it's a glass Pyrex bowl. But I just want you to see what it looks like for each process. So I'm gonna bend you down so you can see. So look at this, all right? See how they are? This was 45 seconds, okay? Now I'm going to another 10, only do 10-second intervals. Only 10-second intervals, not anymore. Because they'll get too hot, and if they get too hot, they're gonna be a big clump and they won't get smooth like chocolate chips. Okay, so I'm gonna bring them, okay? So, can you see? All right, look what we got. Okay, all right, they're getting there, okay? Stirring them up, starting to get melty. Okay, these are really fussy, guys. So a lot of people sway away from melting white chocolate chips. You can also do it in a double boiler. Yeah, you can. Look at this, guys. Look at this new apron I got from my friend, Dr. Nate. Thank you, Doc. I love it. And he said, winner, winner for Penny. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, guys, look. Can you see? Oh, look at this. Starting to get melt. And some chips are super hot and the bowl's warm, so keep stirring them because more melt, okay? You can see what I'm doing. I think it's gonna need a few more seconds, but that's it. I'm not even gonna do the whole 10. I'm only gonna put it in probably for 5 or 6 more seconds, and then we'll done another stir and it'll be good, okay? Go, put it in. All right, guys, look at chocolate yumminess, white chocolate yumminess. Okay, that's it. Not putting no more. All right, that's the last one. You see how the lumps are there? Can you see them? More chocolate chip lumps, but look, they all dissolve. The bowl's hot enough. Okay, look at this. They're done. Not overdone. The more you stir, every left lump is gone. Guys, look. Smooth, okay? Now, look at this. Like I told you, Chester Cheetos, my absolute fave. You dump that bad boy in there, guys. Just like that. And you coat it. Stir it up. Actually, you know what? I'm going to use my hands. Yeah, I am. I'm using them. Guys, I want to get it all coated good. I'm going to have chocolate fingers, guys, but that's okay. I'll wash them. And then I have a cookie sheet next to me. You can use wax paper. Look at this. Oh my God, do you believe this? Isn't this the most insane thing you've ever heard of? It's so addicting, guys. Look at this messiness. It's so addicting. The recipe calls for just the 1 bag of the puffs. And then look, It's all coated. I'm putting it all over the tray. See, best to use your fingers, lovies. Right? You guys are not going to believe this once it's freaking cooled. How good it is. You put it out in a bowl at a party that you go to. People are going to think that you're absolutely insane, but they're not going to stop eating it. It is that addicting. Okay? All right, look at this. So, you just let it cool and harden back up, and white chocolate hardens back up pretty quickly. Okay? But, hang on, I gotta bend you up. Don't go away. I repeat, don't go away. All right. Here I am. Okay. How easy was that? I mean, look. Absolute yumminess. And you know what? I don't even need to bring you back. It's so good. Some people call it bunny poop. I call it yummy poop. Love it. So good. All right. I don't even have to come back. It gets hard. I throw it in my refrigerator. Bring it, take it out, dump it in an airtight container. Take it to your next party. You're not gonna be disappointed. It's so good and so easy. Pick up your ingredients at your next shopping trip and stay tuned for more fun videos. Oh wait, a little drinky. Diet Coke and root beer vodka tastes like root beer. Have a great day. Peace.